Hi everyone, Natasha here. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally through small steps every day. One of the ways I like to do that is to use healthy products on my family, my body, around our home, and these are products made by Jordan Essentials, so I know they are good for me. They're made in America. It's helping to reduce the toxic burden on my family and overall just improving our wellness every day. So of course I have the Jordan Essentials Joyful Jordan box for the month of November to share with you today. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. So as I mentioned, this is the November Joyful Jordan box. I am a Jordan Essentials consultant, so I'll have my special shopping link in the description box down below if you want to check it out. These little box of awesomeness collections are a monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials, and just like I mentioned, they're going to come with all the great ingredients and made in America. It's a woman-owned company and it's been around since 2000, so you know they have a lot of research and history with everything, and they know what they're doing, which I love. I also love that I don't have to be the expert. I just know where to go to get all my great products for my family and for gifting. So this November box has the cute card on the front. They're all going to come with a card, and then the back will tell us a little bit about the products and how to use them. So if you are gifting the whole box as a set, this card is a great little piece to include so that it tells them all about the products. So the front says, "May your heart be light and sugar plum bright." And there's a little mention of Proverbs 16:24 down there. And on the back, it's going to tell us all about these products. Now, all three of these are exclusive to this November Joyful Jordan box for 2024. They're not in our regular catalog. They're not in our holiday catalog. So the only place to get them is in this collection right here. And the box is $30. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's $30. It's guaranteed to have $40 or more in value every month. And if you subscribe and have it automatically shipped out to you each month, then you're going to have free shipping as well. So that's an extra bonus. So we'll start off with the Sugar Plum Magnesium Stick. And we have lots of magnesium sticks in our regular line. Often they have a blend of essential oils for specific purposes, like we have one for allergies, we have one for sleep, we have one for stress called Copa Calm. So lots of different purposeful magnesium sticks with this beeswax base. But this one is in this exclusive sugar plum scent. So this was a scent we had last year, and everyone loved it so much that it came back this year in a lot of fun new ways. So we've never had this sugar plum magnesium stick before. It says, "Let magnesium soothe and relieve achy muscles while enjoying the festive scent of sugar plum," which is just like it sounds. It's kind of sweet, it's kind of fruity. It's great for the holiday season. Why you'll love it: enjoy calming, muscle-soothing power in a convenient holiday-scented stick, perfect for on-the-go self-care. That's one of the things I love about our magnesium sticks, is it's a great way to do spot treatments with the topical magnesium. It travels really well because it can get thrown in your purse, in your backpack, in your diaper bag, in your pocket. It's not too big or too cumbersome to carry around. And because it's a solid stick form, then it's not a huge deal if the lid doesn't go on quite right. It's not going to spill everywhere. So I love these. And of course, the topical magnesium is great. It's going to help with muscle twitches and aches and pains and soothing tired muscles. So having something like this where you can just rub it right on your wrist and get the benefits in your bloodstream right away. Or if you have like an achy knee or your eye is twitching, rub a little bit on your finger and then put it near your eye on the temple of your forehead there. So lots of great ways to use those sticks, and what a cute little stocking stuffer that is right there. Next, we have the Sugar Plum Dead Sea Salt Tube. So we have a full collection of Dead Sea salt soaks in our catalog that come in larger sizes. We do not have the sugar plum scent, and we don't have this cute little tube. So it says, "Soak away holiday stress with mineral-rich Dead Sea salts. Gift yourself with a rejuvenating and relaxing bath anytime." And the benefit of Dead Sea salts and soaking them in them is the Dead Sea salts naturally come with over, I think it's like 26 different minerals that are just naturally present in the Dead Sea. And it's more than what you're going to find in your standard Epsom salts. So that's why it's even better. and it's going to be boosted with that good scent, plus it's going to have the magnesium, so that's going to help again relax muscles, kind of soothe achy, tired muscles and joints, help you sleep better, and just overall, bring good health and wellness to you. So it says, why you'll love it: soothes the mind and softens the skin for a refreshing holiday glow. And I believe Nancy said you can get at least 2 baths out of this tube, or if you're somebody who likes to just soak your feet in a little foot soak tub, I bet you could get 4 foot soaks out of this easily. So again, another great one. That's a fun one to gift to a teacher and just let them have some pampering and self-care for the holidays when they're on break. Then we have the final thing, which is our Sugar Plum Magnesium Spray, and it says experience muscle relaxation and skin hydration with a quick spritz. Fresh sugar plum scent makes a great pick-me-up anytime. Why you'll love it: easy to use as body spray or a room spray to spread holiday joy throughout the season. So again, all the benefits of magnesium, plus it's that great scent. So if you're someone who loves that scent, this could be like your perfume or your body spray for the season, and just have that sugar plum ready to go. Plus I love with the sprays, you can spritz it around the house if you want to just kind of freshen up the air before guests come over. So that's another fun way to do that. So this is everything that comes in the November Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. Plus, I wanted to mention we have a couple of specials every month. One of them is our host special. So if you decide to host a party with me, that means online on Facebook, through texting. I can send you samples and a few catalogs, and you can just carry those with you for a week and take orders from people. That's called a catalog party. Or I can always, if you're local to me, I can host a workshop where I bring things and we do a make and take. I can even do that virtually. So I send you everything and just kind of help guide you for the make and take process. But however it looks, you get to be the host and you get something special. So this isn't the exact product. This is something from last year, which I love, and I've been kind of saving until the very end. So this is the Snow Place Like Home scent, and this was the magnesium hand and body lotion. But this year, the Snow Place Like Home scent, which is an essential oil blend of rosemary, juniper, and peppermint essential oils, comes in a diffuser oil blend. And as a host, you get that as a special incentive, and it's going to come with this cute little diffuser jar that you can hang in your car, you can hang it around the home, you can have it at work and kind of have a fresh scent with you. So I just wanted to mention that is our host special for the month. There's a different one each month. And then we have a customer special each month. Now, this isn't the exact product. This is an oatmeal milk and honey salt scrub, but I just wanted to show you what our salt scrubs look like, because number one, they're going to have that good Dead Sea salt in there. So it's going to give you all those benefits with those minerals. And then we do not use mineral oil. So if you've ever seen a salt scrub where you have to stir in this layer of oil, this is a brand new one. Obviously it's sat sideways at some point, but there's never going to be that oil. Ours is just our good moisturizing shower gel mixed with the Dead Sea salts. And it's going to be a really good way to slough off that dry, dead skin. It's great on your legs before you shave your legs to get your skin really exfoliated and get a nice close shave, or just on your hands or your feet. Anyway, our customer special this month is in the exclusive scent of Copa Calm. So it's this full 8-ounce jar of Dead Sea salt scrub, but it's going to be in a Copa Calm scent, which you cannot get that blend in this product in the catalog. So it's exclusive for the customer special. When you spend $50, it's only $5. So that's a really good thing to add on, so you have something to put in your stocking. And the Copa Calm blend is an essential oil blend that includes copaiba, which is a natural essential oil that helps reduce stress, helps calm your nervous system, has a lot of great benefits similar to CBD, but it's not that. It's just a natural essential oil that does a lot of the same things with helping to reduce stress and anxiety. So for $5, that's a great one to add on to your little order if you're doing, just a bunch of little things, or if you're getting one or two of our bigger sets and you get over that $50 mark, then definitely think about adding that Copa Calm salt scrub to your order and get the benefits for only $5. All right, so that's everything I wanted to share. Thanks again for checking out the Joyful Jordan box. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below and let me know if you've tried sugar plum and if it's one of your favorite scents for the holiday season. And other than that, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a good one. Bye.